All right, so I'm out here at a different lake today. It's about 50 degrees, 55 degrees. Water temperature is about 53. Fishing a drop shot. Just fishing this reed line. Wind is blowing about 15 miles an hour, so I apologize if it's super windy. I'm trying to keep my back to it. There we go. But like I said, wind's blowing about 15 miles an hour. Fishing a drop shot along this reed line. Figuring the fish are being, or at least the bait's being blown over this way. But as you can see, I keep getting blown. I don't have my anchor stick in. I'm in like 6 foot of water. This wind is just taking hold of me. So I might just let myself blow up against the bank, fish it that way, or throw my anchor stick in, let the wind use me that way. But we'll see. Oh, got a nibble. Another one. Fish on. Oh, I thought he shook it. Look at this guy. Hell yeah. And wouldn't take it. He broke me off on a Senko, just a straight Senko. This is a drop shot. Look at this guy. Man, what a fish. So happy. Gobbled it. All right, let's get the release. Thanks, buddy. There he goes. Holy cow. So he hit it. I turned my camera back on, and then he, I thought he threw it right as the camera came on, but he just stopped. Man, that was awesome. What a good fish. So I'm fishing a 8-pound Invisalign with a Yum watermelon or baby bass, 6-inch worm, 3/16 ounce drop shot weight on it. I'm literally being just blown against the bank due to the 15-mile-an-hour winds that I'm fishing in. But he hit right over here in these reeds. I heard him a few times. I've just been tossing it over there, and he just cranked on it. And once, like I said, once I got the camera on, I thought he threw it, but he just stopped moving. What an awesome fish. That was great. He was real yellow too. I was pretty surprised. But let's keep at it. Well, that's it for today. So only caught one fish, but it was a new lake. Paddled around for about an hour before I actually started to fish. Figured out that the fish were all down by the let out. The wind was also blowing that way. So fished that reed line for a while, then went out to where there's a little pier, and fish were over there, just nothing was biting. So I might have just missed a major time, but probably come out here again next week when I have a little more time. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it.